Hello students, welcome to video class. It's math first for class 9. In math first, coordinate geometry chapter is going on. Recently we have completed the exercise 3.1. Now next is revision exercises. There are 4 sections in revision exercises: section A, section B, section C and section D. I will do few questions from revision exercise today. So in section A, most questions are objective type of question, multiple choice type of objective questions, and you can do these questions simply. For example, first question is the coordinate of origin is the point of intersection of two coordinate axes, say x axis and y axis, and its coordinate is 0 comma 0. Well, you all know this, so easily you can select the correct option. Option number C is correct. Next, second is abscissa of a point is positive. After that, 4 options are given: first quadrant and second quadrant, first and fourth quadrant, first quadrant only, fourth quadrant only. The correct answer is first quadrant. We all know, right? Abscissa means x coordinate is positive in first quadrant. Multiple choice type of question these are. You can do it easily on the basis of the theoretical knowledge you have got in this chapter. Now let's go to section B. In section B, first question is on which axis two given points lie. Few points are given and question asks to tell their location. The given points lies on which axis, right? You have to tell. The first point is 0 comma 4. First point is 0 comma 4. Question asks to tell its location, means this point lies on which axis, right? So simply you can draw a xy Cartesian plane in rough on a paper. Say x o x dash, it is x axis, and y o y dash, y axis. Y o y complement, it's y axis. We draw the two axes. Now a suitable scale we will consider, say 1 centimeter is equal to 1 on each axis. Each axis. Having this scale, using this scale we will locate this point. So x0, abscissa is 0, x coordinate is 0. X is 0 at origin, the point of intersection of two axes. After that, ordinate is 4. It's positive. So 4 unit we have to go along y-axis, just above origin. So we reached here. Here we got the point 0 comma 4. Now it is clear from the figure. It is clear that the point lies on y-axis, positive part of y-axis. Part of y-axis lying above origin. So we will write simply y-axis. The point lies in y-axis. Right? 3 more points are given in question number 1. In the same way, we will find their location. Right? Next, second. You see, second question. Draw a quadrilateral whose vertices are given. In second question, question number 2, vertices, the coordinate of 4 vertices of a quadrilateral are given, and question asks to represent the quadrilateral in a xy Cartesian plane. Here vertices are, say, a 3 comma 2, b 2 comma 3. Okay, vertices. Question number 2, vertices of the quadrilateral A, B, C, D are A is 3 comma 2, 2 comma 3. 3 comma 2, B is 2 comma 3 and C is C is minus 4 comma 5, minus 4 comma 5 and D, and the fourth vertex D is 5 comma minus 3, 5 comma minus 3. We have to represent it in xy Cartesian plane. We have to represent this quadrilateral. Okay, so let's do it. We draw coordinate axis. Coordinate axis, say x axis and y axis. This is origin. Suitable scale we take. Usual scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 on each axis. Next we plot this point. Say 3 comma 2 or 3, 1, 2, 3. You will get marking in graph after each 1 centimeter. Here I am not using graph, so I have made marking. Now 3 comma 2, 3 and 2. This is point A. Next 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3. B, vertex B. Minus 4 comma 5, minus 4 here and 5 above. Minus 4 comma 5. Next 5 comma minus 3. 5 comma minus 3. This side. 5 comma minus 3. We have to join all these points to get the quadrilateral. So in this way you will get a quadrilateral. Say point A 3 comma 2, point B 2 comma 3. We also write the coordinate of point. Point C minus 4 comma 5, and point D is here. Say 5 comma minus 3. Okay, putting a scale, we will join these points. Putting a scale. Okay, encircle the points to highlight. Okay, this is how we present a given figure using the coordinate of its vertices. I hope you all have understood the 3 types of questions I explained in this video. Today you will get homework from revision section in the chapter coordinate geometry. You all should complete the homework. Next day the solution of the questions given in homework will be posted so that you can match and verify your solution. That's all. Thank you.